Hey folks, Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. We're talking today about the Oregon State University permaculture template, and specifically we're taking a look at the Q&A feedback slide or column. This is an opportunity for you to list out the questions you have specifically for your grader. So if you're going through, let's say, the climate survey and you couldn't find climate data you're looking for and you couldn't get a hold of them on your help section or via email, this is an opportunity potentially to add information or add direct questions. Now, for graders like myself who do video feedback, I'm going to answer them verbally. For other graders who do text, they may answer it in this column or they may answer it in the discussion board. All depends, but it's a great opportunity for you to be very specific and say, I have a direct question about this. Now, if you do have a question and if you do end up putting a question in something like, let's think, in Calgary, we've got a lot of sun, snow. You may have a question of how much snow or how much rain is equal to snow, which is a question that quite a number of folks have. And that gives your grader, myself or somebody else, the opportunity to say, well, it's a 10 to 1. So if you have 10 centimeters of snow, you'll end up with 1 centimeter of rain. And that's an opportunity to learn something specific. If you do send this in, my request is to make sure that you get rid of the blue. And again, if you highlight a bunch of different items and you only want a specific number of items, just hold Shift and click on the item you don't want, and then you'll just have what you want highlighted and hit delete, and then that's done. Now, if you have no questions whatsoever, then you should just click on the slide and then hit delete. And that way we don't have to have an extra slide in there. Great. Looking forward to seeing you folks in the next one.